Arjuna has a question in mind. One of the things in Bhagavad Gita is the beautiful questions Arjuna asks. He is very persistent, very careful student, a very good listener, and extremely persistent in asking Bhagavan, challenging him, raising his doubt, does not shy away. So Arjuna asks a question. Now, he says there are so many possibilities, O Varshneya. There are so many possibilities because of which one can go astray. One can allow this raga and dvesha to dominate. One can come under the sway, their sway. But tell me that one thing, for people like us, if we have to do karma yoga, for us to master everything is going to be next to impossible. What is that root cause? Even in today's modern world, we do root cause analysis. What is that root cause? What is that one root thing? Once I find out what that root cause is and I fix it, everything else will get conquered. That is Arjuna's question. Next verse. Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna Uvacha Atakena Prayuktoyam Papam Charati Purushaha Anichannapi Varshneya Baladiva Niyojitaha.
So Arjuna says Atha. Atha here implies, got it Bhagavan, I got it. Okay, I've understood what you are trying to say. Oh Varshneya. Varshneya is one that is born of the Vrishni clan. So Arjuna is implying to, like Bhagavan calls him Kaunteya, Arjuna is calling him Varshneya. This is your descendants. He says, I got it. I've understood what you're trying to say. But what is that one thing, Kena, that impels, that forces, Prayukto. Prayukto is something that forces you. Forces who? Humans, Purusha. Charati Papam. Charati is to perform Papam, this sin. Sin again and again, remember, is what causes mental disturbance. In this case, Arjuna is referring to the fever, Jwara. That Jwara, that Papa. Why is it that we keep going there? Even though, Api is even though, not wishing to. Anichan. Anichan is, I don't wish to do this. I don't wish to follow that path. Even though I don't wish to do that, I am constrained, niyojitaha, to go on that path. As if by force, baladiva, as if by force. There is something, there's some magnetic force that pulls me there. Even Duryodhana, he confided to his friend Karna. He said, I know and I understand what dharma is. I've been taught by the same Dronacharya who taught Yudhishthira. But my mind is not going there. I know, I understand what adharma is. But it seems as if there is some power, that is some unseen force that is making me commit adharma. So a lot of times in our life, we know that we are doing something wrong, but we still commit some power that stems from what? Prakriti, our nature. And how do we come over and not get under the sway? By recognizing what our tendencies are, by recognizing the likes and the dislikes and controlling them and working on them, self-effort. That is how we will do it.